It's hard to see, but this is a shelf cloud, or at least a somewhat formed shelf cloud. Kind of the tree line is obstructing our view here, but we have a line of strong to possibly severe thunderstorms moving southeast off of Lake Erie. I'm located in Lake County in the south side of Kirtland, Ohio, and we're waiting the approach of a line of thunderstorms that could have some strong to severe winds in here. Hello? Alright. Yeah, I'm watching the shelf cloud approach right now. You can see it rolling at the base. That's damaging winds in there. Alright, did it say 70 miles an hour? Alright. Alright.